You're failing. You know it. The grades, the deadlines, the guilt, it's all crashing down on you. Everyone else seems to be ahead, and you're stuck in the same spot. Or worse, falling deeper. And the worst part? You start to believe you deserve it. But let me ask you something. Do you really think this is how your story ends? Or is this just the beginning of your greatest comeback? Part 1, Facing the Fire. Let's be real. You messed up, skipped classes, missed assignments. Maybe you stopped caring. Maybe life hit you so hard you couldn't even get out of bed. And now you're staring at a GPA that makes your stomach turn. But here's the truth. You can either keep drowning in regret, or you can use it as fuel. You're not weak because you fell. You're powerful because you still have a choice. Own your failure, name it, look it in the eye, because the only way out is through it. Part 2, Building the Comeback. Start small, 1 class, 1 assignment, 1 decision. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Turn in something, even if it's not perfect. Progress perfection. Create a routine. Write it down. Put it on your wall, your phone, your mirror. Anywhere you'll see it. You need structure, not for school, but for yourself. Cut distractions. No, you don't need to be on every group chat. No, Netflix will still be there. This is grind season. Lock in. Ask for help. Not because you're weak, but because you're strong enough to admit you can't do it alone. Talk to a teacher. Find a tutor. Email someone. Action creates momentum. Visualize the comeback. Picture that passing grade. That graduation cap. That moment when you prove everyone wrong, including your old self. Part 3, Mindset Shift. Your grades don't define you, but how you respond to failure does. You are not your lowest moment. You are the version of yourself that fights back when things get ugly. Discipline is showing up when motivation disappears. Your future self is begging you to try one more time. Don't let them down. And remember, the most legendary comebacks happen in silence while no one's watching. So if you're ready to stop making excuses and start making moves, this is your moment. Hit that subscribe button. Stick around. We're building winners here, one battle at a time. Because your comeback, it's not just coming, it's already started.